The flowchart. Adjectives. Define flowchart. Distinguish flowchart from pseudocode. Explain the different flowcharting symbols. Discuss the different types of flowchart. Discuss the importance of algorithm to modeling tools. Using a flowchart in programming. A flowchart is a graphical representation of a process of algorithm. It used as a planning tool to visually depict a programming task in a structured manner. Flowchart help programming and understand the logical sequence of operation in a program, making it easier to interpret and communicate idea. Understanding flowchart. A flowchart consists of various symbols that represent different types of action as start, end, terminator, process, action, competition. Discuss yes, no, true, false, conditions. Input, output, operation, arrows. Flow lines. Mao na ang types of action such as. Ang flowchart programming is a graphical representation sa isa ka process o algorithm. Gamit ni as a plano tool aron klaro nga ipakita ang step sa usa ka programming task. Why use flowchart? Programming logic can sometimes be difficult to understanding through textual descriptions alone. A flowchart makes it easier to visualize the logic of a programming, helping both beginners and experienced developers in designing algorithm efficiently. Benefits of using flowchart: easy communication, logic, effective problem breakdown, useful for documentation, simplifies coding, help in debugging and error condition. Usahay lisod sabton ang programming logic gamit lang ang textual description. Ang flowchart makatabang sa pagkita sa flow sa programming sa mas sayon nga visual nga paagi. Limitation of flowchart: simplicity increased with detailed logic, difficult to modify, not machine readable, not a programming language substitute. Types of flowchart. System flowchart. A system flowchart provides a high-level overview of an entire system, including its process, input, and output. It is commonly used by systems analysts to design and document a system's structure before programming begins. Purpose of system flowchart: represent the overall system structure and how data flows through it. Show the connectivity between software, hardware, and peopleware human interactions. Help in planning and analyzing new system applications. Ang system flowchart isa ka label nga overview sa isa ka tibuok system nga napakita sa mga process, inputs ug outputs. Standard symbol of used in flowchart. Flowchart following standard symbol set by ISO, International Organization for Standardization, and ANS, American National Standard Institute. However, many organizations modify this symbol for their own use. Common flowchart symbol. Oval, start, end, marking the beginning or end of a flowchart. Rectangle, process, represent a task or action to be. Diamond, decision, represent a decision making step, yes or no. Parallelogram, output, input, repetition, user input or system output. Arrow, flow line, indicate the flow of operations. Muna siya mga example sa common flowchart symbols. System flowchart as a medium of communication. A system flowchart is serves a communication tools between system analysts and programmers. It ensures the both parties have a clear understanding of the workflow of the system, the logical sequence of process, the data flow between different system communication component. Kay ang system flowchart naghatag og service as a communication tool sa systems analyze sa mga analyze sa programmer. This can make sa dagan sa system nga clear og hapsay sa kasabutan sa duha ka group. Figure 2 by 2 represent a data merging process where two input file, the master file and the transaction file are processed together to generate an update master file and a merging report. Merging report. Key element of figure. Number 1, output file. Master file store on magnetic tape. Transaction file stored on disk. Number 2, processing step. Merge program read both input file and combines their data. The update record are stored in a new file. And makita sa libro ang figure 2 by 2 sa mga ikuan dito example. Significance of figure 2 by 2. The arrow in the flowchart show the direction of data movement. The master file and transaction file serve as input while the update master file and merging report serve as output. It visually convey to program how file interact in a data processing system, reducing the need for lengthy textual explanations. Figure 2 and 3 illustrate a scenario where an output file from one program is later used as an input file for another program. It demonstrates a multi-step data validation and update process. Key element of figure 2 to 3. Number 1, source transaction record. Manually record transaction are entered via a keyboard. Number 2, validate process. A validation program check the transaction data. Valid transaction are stored in a validate transaction file. Invalid transactions are print for manual correction. Number 3, master file update. The validate transaction file is used as an input to update the master file. The system process the master file along with the validate transaction file to generate and upload master file and update report. Significance of figure 2.3. Demonstrate how data validation ensure that only accurate information is stored. The flowchart show how a program output can be utilized as an input for another process. It highlights the importance of error handling where incorrect transactions are printed for review. Explanation of sequential and direct access in system flowchart. System flowchart provide a graphical representation of how data is processed within a system. Ang flowchart naghatag og graphical representation kung giunsa pag-process ang data sulod sa system. Kasagaran ang mga process mag-follow sa sequential flow nga nagpasabot nga ang data maglihok sa isa ka direksyon gikan sa input padulong sa processing og dayon sa output. Sequence process versus direct access. Sequential processing. In most case, system flowchart depict a linear flow of data. Data is read from an input file, processed, and then written to an output file. This is typical for operation like data entry, validation, and reporting. Direct access during update double point arrow concept. Unlike sequence processes use update required modification to an existing master file. The double point arrow between the update process box and the master file signify that the master file is accessed directly rather than sequentially. The master file is accessed directly rather than sequentially. Importance of system in communication. Even though the illustrations of in figure 2x2 and 2x3 represent small segment of a full system flowchart, then still serve a critical roles in explanation how data flows. System flowchart allow analyst and programmer to communicate complex process visually instead of relying solely on text descriptions. This visual representation ensure that everyone involved in system development, from business analysts to programmers, understand the workflow clearly. A program flowchart. A program flowchart is a graphical representation of the logic required to solve a problem. Ang flowchart isa ka graphical nga representation logical nga need aron masulbad ang isa ka problema. Nagpakita siya og sunod-sunod nga mga instruction nga gisunod sa usa ka program ma-process ang input og resulta. Lahi na system flowchart nga nagpakita sa tibuok process sa system, kay ang programming flowchart nag-learn sa mga logical operation sa sulod sa program.